Now, we're going to learn the rest of our C major scale. We need 3 more notes to be able to play the complete scale. So, you remember we start on the low C, up to D, then E, then F, which is just the left thumb, and then open G. The next note is A. And the way we get A is by touching this teardrop little key right here. It sounds like this. If we do the whole scale up to that point, here's what it sounds like. Now the next 2 notes are a little bit tougher. They pose a challenge to all beginner clarinetists. And that's because we have to go from just using one finger on the A key to having all of our other fingers down. So the way to finger the B, if you think about the C, the low C we started on, thumb and your first 3 fingers, then you need to add your right hand, first finger, second finger, third finger, and then this pinky key right here, it's the bottom, lower on the instrument, but one of the top keys. And also add this key over here with the left pinky. The last thing you need to do is add the register key. Now this is tricky because you have to keep the key back here covered with the thumb and hit the register key at the same time. This is one of the hardest notes to learn on clarinet, and it gives a lot of people a lot of trouble. Once you get past this, it gets a little easier. So just stick with it. So once again, we've got all of our fingers down the middle here, with 2 pinkies involved on these keys, and the register key pushed as well. It's a lot of fingers to worry about, but keep practicing, you'll get there. So this is the B, and it sounds like this. Now to get the last note of the scale, the C, this one's pretty easy compared to getting the B. All you need to do is lift up the left pinky. That's your C. So it's real easy, once you get it, to go from B to C and back again. So this is the hardest part of the C major scale, and we're going to try now to play the whole scale from bottom to top. Here we go. Let's try going from top back down. So again, you might find it difficult right now to go from that A to the B. It's the most difficult part about playing clarinet. But just keep practicing it. Make sure your fingers are landing in the right places and covering the holes completely. And the more you practice it, it'll get easier, you'll get better at it. You just got to work at it for a little bit of time because it's the hardest thing we've learned so far. So there is a little exercise you can do with the C major scale. We're going to start at the bottom and go up to the top and back down again. And then we're going to add tonguing back in, just like we did with the earlier scale. So that's your full C major scale. I know it's difficult, but keep practicing it. It'll get easier and you'll get it.